tremble under, they quake this rhythm that pulses through fear. It's all in my soul. Feel the frontier. 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 Vibrations I hold. Frontier. Echoes unfold. Drift in the nebula. Drift away. Infinite scribbles of light they sway. Illuminate minds in disarray. In the expanse. Rush the frontier. Rush the frontier. Rush the frontier. Bass waves roll. Rush the frontier. Across the astral toll.
Stellar graffiti, spray the stars. Tags on the void where blackness mars. Sprinkle stardust upon the concrete of space. Galaxies spinning a celestial embrace. Paint with the comet tails broad and clear. Our art is cosmic, we're tagging the frontier. Birds of creation, the universe is sphere. Canvas expanded, spray the frontier.
Gravity's loose on its hypersonic flight. In the vacuum where comets ignite. Orbit dreams feel full of sheer beneath the constellations. Melodies from the void, so sincere. Songs of the spheres that we engineer. Through the cosmos, our rhymes career, bending space-time.